Hi everyone, just at a property in Cheadle today which I've helped kind of advise upon. It's a lady moving from South Africa to the UK, lovely lady, psychologist, starting at a local healthcare practice next week. So we've helped with property advice, location advice, doing views on her behalf, sending full detailed walkthroughs, and also in the lease negotiations, kind of lease offers, down to arranging delivery for furniture, that be it kitchen utensils right through to bedding, wardrobes, etc., and car support as well, finding a car through our network. We're just waiting for her arrival. She's come from Manchester Airport, and then we're going to show her around the property, take her to the supermarket so she can pick up any food, drinks she wants before settling into a new home. And then we'll set everything up utility wise. So look out for the walkthrough just after this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and any questions just drop them in a DM, and look forward to any thoughts. A walkthrough of the new home. So we have all the lounge dining furniture arriving tomorrow. All the gardens have been cut and everything's looking good. Kitchenware, everything was kind of blank canvas. This was all delivered, arranged, delivered and ordered. All the paperwork's been checked prior to agreement. Kitchen appliances arriving tomorrow. Additional charges sorted for the conversion. So you can charge. It's bedroom 3. So the rent on this one was $995, as you can see. All new carpets, all new paintwork. This is the bedroom we've set up. So we've arranged through a few contacts of ours. We're off to get the duvet after we go to the supermarket in a short time. Car arrives tomorrow. And then on her feet. That's bathroom. Again, all the stuff you see has been ordered and arranged and unpacked for a 24-hour flight. It's the last thing you want to be doing. Put it into the final bedroom, which will be the office space. And as you can see, nice garage to go with it too.